Hey guys, welcome to Diego's Play-Doh Supplies, and today we will be doing color chemistry. There are 50 different experiments, and I'm going to pick what to do. I guess I opened it upside down. It's kind of look like buttons and smell like paint. And these are paint cans. This is a paintbrush. I don't know what this is. It looks like something that doctors use to see in your ears. And another one, and another paint cans, and this looks like a circle here. And I think these two have paint inside of them, and inside of here it feels kind of like Play-Doh, and I have no idea what this is. It's like a container. What is this? Part of the slime, I guess. This is tough. And this is, I don't know how to read it. But I guess it's part of the slime. It's even tough to put in. And this looks like a container that you put liquid inside. And this looks like food dye or something. Wait, what is this? If anyone knows what this is, please comment down below. Because I have no idea. I'm gonna look in the book and pick an experiment. Let's see. Europe guide. Colors. That one? So this experiment is color separation. Okay, I will need a color mixing pot strip, a paintbrush, a pipette, a paper disc, black ink, disposable plate, paper towels, paper towel or napkin, water. And I have everything right here. I'm gonna take the black paint and draw 3 lines on the plate. Now I'm gonna take this pipette and drop a few drops on the Now you're supposed to see different colors spread. Blue, purple, black, gray. Those were the different colors that were in black. That experiment was fun. I still have 49 more of them to do. So I'll make more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you do anything like this. Bye.